If you can't watch this video to the end, you don't have attention deficit. You have a rotten brain, and you know it. You know it every time you can't finish a book. Every time you open an app without knowing why. Every time you waste hours watching trash and end up with the same anxiety as always, but you keep saying, I just don't have time. I can't focus. I'm just not good at this. Lies. What you don't have is control. This video is a test. If you can't, last 2 minutes, you don't have what it takes to improve your life. It's that simple. Your attention isn't yours anymore. You gave it away to cheap dopamine, mindless videos, and memes that make you laugh for 3 seconds but steal 30 minutes of your life. Want to take it back? Good. But it won't be easy. This channel isn't here to entertain you. It's here to reprogram you, to turn your mind, the same one that gives up after 10 seconds, into a machine, focused, disciplined, capable of learning, growing, and building something real. And yes, it's going to be uncomfortable, because your nervous system is hooked on cheap dopamine. So here's the challenge. Finish this video, then choose one of the long-form videos on this channel. 15, 20, even 30 minutes. About money, about building habits, about how to stop thinking like a loser. Just one per day, that's all. If you can't even do that, stop saying you want a better life, because it's not true. You just want a new distraction with a different excuse. But if you choose to stay, to come back tomorrow and repeat, I promise you this, your mind will change, because this isn't motivation, it's training, it's war against mediocrity. Are you giving up again? Or are you finally going to finish what you start? See you tomorrow, I know you will.